So Ad-Dars Al-Rabi'u, the fourth chapter. Okay, the fourth chapter. Al-Baytu, the house. Al-Baytu, the house. When fi came before that, when fi is added before Al-Baytu, it became fil bayti. It became fil bayti. So this is jarun wa majrurun. Fil bayti, in the house. In the house. Al-Masjidu, the masjid. Fil masjidi, in the masjid. It is no more al-masjidu here, it is al-masjidi. So it has gone into majroor state. Okay, it is majroor. It's in the jar state. Al-maktabu, the desk. Ala al-maktabi, on the desk. Ala al-maktabi, on the desk. As-sariru, the bed. Ala sariri, ala sariri, on the bed. Okay. Now, Aina Muhammadun? Aina, I told you, it's a question which means where. Okay, this was covered last week. Aina Muhammadun? Where is Muhammad? Now the answer is Huwa fil ghurfati. Huwa fil ghurfati. Huwa is a pronoun, dhamir. Okay, Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. It's a complete jumla. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Now you can do the analysis of this sentence. You do the analysis, such grammatical analysis in your notebook. See, it will become, it's very easy for you to understand Arabic. If you start doing analysis from now, initially you will find that it's very difficult, but soon you will know that it will become so simple and you will learn it very quickly, inshallah. So, huwa fil ghurfati, he is in the room. Ba'ayna Yasirun, and where is Yasir? Huwa fil hammami, he is in the bathroom. Huwa fil hammami, he is in the bathroom. This is also shibu jumla khabar. Fil hammami, jar majroor. Fi harfu jar, al hammami is majroor. Huwa is mubtada. Huwa fil hammami. This is also jumla ismiya. Wa aina aminatu. Now here it is not writing aminatun. Here it was Yasirun, Muhammadun, but here it is aminatu. Why? Because all women are partly flexible. Okay, no, all proper names of women are partly flexible. Just remember that. Okay, wa aina aminatu, and where is Amina? Okay, Aminatu, hiya fil matbakhi, she is here. See, you have to use the proper pronoun. Now it is talking about a female. Amina is a female name. So you will not use huwa here. You will use hiya here. Huwa means he. Hiya means she. So you will use proper pronoun here. Hiya. Hiya fil matbakhi. She is in the kitchen. Matbakhi means, al-matbakhu means kitchen. Al-matbakhu means kitchen. So it was al-matbakhu. Due to fi, it became al-matbakhi. Okay. So she is in the kitchen. Aina al-kitabu. Aina al-kitabu. Where is the book? Okay. Where is the book? Huwa ala al-maktabi. It is on the desk. Now here, for kitab, huwa is used. Huwa, ideally it means he, right? But in English language, for the non-human things, you use it. Now, in Arabic language, you use for both animate or non-animate objects, you use pronouns, same pronouns. Okay, so you will use same pronouns. Now, things also have gender. So al-maktabu doesn't indicate any sign of femininity here. So I told you two types of feminine, two categories of feminine till now. One is by itself it's feminine, like ummun, and there are three identifiers I mentioned about feminine. Those that ends with tai marbuta, those that end with alif maksura or alif mamduda. Now al-kitabu doesn't indicate any of those signs. So that means al-kitab is a masculine. Okay, kitab is a masculine gender in Arabic language. Okay, in other language it can be feminine, but in Arabic language it is masculine. Okay, remember that. Ayn al-kitabu, so you will use proper pronoun for that. You say huwa, huwa ala al-maktabi, it is over the desk or it is on the desk. Al-maktabu means desk. Due to ala, which is harfu jar, so it becomes it became al-maktabi. Wa ayna as-sa'atu. Now here it is ending with ta marbuta. So this means this is feminine. As-sa'atu means the watch. Okay. And where is the watch? Okay. Where is the watch? Wa ayna as-sa'atu. Now you will use hiya, not huwa anymore. So you, because it's as-sa'atu. So you say hiya ala sariri, hiya ala sariri. It is on the bed. It is on the bed. Hiya ala sariri. Now, so this is tamarin, which means exercise. Okay, tamarin means it means exercise. Okay. Now there are ajib anil as'ilatil atiyah. What does it mean? Answer the following questions. You don't need to know the meaning of that. I will be telling you the meaning of that. Okay, what is it? Because you are not yet ready to understand the sentence, such sentences. Okay. Now, what you need to focus is understand what the question is that I will explain to you. What is the question about, and then you have to answer it properly. So now there are 3 minutes left. So I'm not going to ask anyone today. But tomorrow's class, it will be very interactive class. So you need to flag your hands tomorrow. And tomorrow I will be asking people to answer the questions. Okay. So we may not finish all the questions today. For example, here, Ayn al-kitabu. Okay, where is the book? Now answers are, normally it's very simple questions. The answers are within the chapter itself. It's here somewhere. Okay. So that was the lesson. So you can get the answers from there. Ayn al-kitabu. So what is the answer? You can say huwa ala al-maktabi. Okay. Huwa ala al-maktabi. It is on the desk. Where is kitabu? It is on the desk. Or you can be more innovative. You can say huwa ala sariri. It is on the bed. Sometimes you are lying on the bed and reading the book, and you left it on the bed. Okay, so you can say huwa ala sariri. Aina Muhammadun. Aina Muhammadun. Where is Muhammad? Huwa fil ghurfati. You have to use the right harfu jar. Where is Muhammad? He is in the room. You will not say ala or ila. You will say fi. Fi means in. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Okay. Number 3. Aina as-sa'atu. Aina as-sa'atu. Where is the watch? So sa'atu is feminine. So you say hiya ala sariri. You'll say here hiya ala sariri. So you can write these answers. Okay. On your textbook if you have printed. Number 4. Aina Yasirun. Okay. Aina Yasirun. Where is Yasir? So you can say huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. Aina Yasirun. Huwa fil hammami. He is in the bathroom. Or if you are not taking from the lesson above, you can say, you can have your own answer. Huwa fil ghurfati. He is in the room. Okay. Aina Aminatu. Hiya fil matbakhi. Aina Aminatu. Hiya fil matbakhi. Now here comes the interrogative question. Aminatu fil ghurfati. Now this is Amina in the room? Aminatu fil ghurfati. Is Amina in the room? So what will be the answer? Because according to the text, paragraphs which went above, Amina is in the kitchen. So what your answer should be? Your answer should be La hiya fil matbakhi. La hiya fil matbakhi. You can say that. Okay. Or you can even say, La Muhammadun fil ghurfati. You can even say that because Muhammad was in the bedroom, right? So what you can say, La Muhammadun fil ghurfati. It depends how you are replying. A Yasirun fil matbahi. Is Yasir in the kitchen? Is Yasir in the kitchen? So you say, La huwa fil hammami. You can say, La, no, he is in the bathroom. Or you can say, La Aminatu fil matbakhi. Amina is in the kitchen. So what you say? La Aminatu fil matbakhi. So this is how you will reply. Now I will inshallah continue with the remaining questions tomorrow because we have run out of time today. Request to all of you, please attend the quizzes. I have seen very few people are attending the quizzes on the website. For chapter 1 and 2, I think about 100 or more than 100 people only have attended the questions. So many people are attending, have joined the course, like 500 plus. So why you are not attending? Because you will not be you will not be able to evaluate yourself. You have to attempt the quizzes, and so that you know your mistakes. And if you have you face any difficulty in attempting those quizzes, you can ask for questions. And I have not seen anyone asking questions also. Maybe it's too simple for you. That's good. But if you have any questions, please ask on the Telegram group also, or you can use the forum on the website. Okay. So I will stop here. Inshallah. See you tomorrow again, same time. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilayk. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.